Did you fly toys?
Cindy, look! It's Minnie Mouse! And it's a cash register! Oh yeah! We're gonna have so much fun with this cash register! We're gonna learn numbers and colors and see what special customers Minnie Mouse has! Let's have fun! Hi everyone! I'm so excited for you to see my cash register! Miss Hands, can you show them all the cool things it can do? Of course I can, Minnie Mouse. Look, we have this pink cash register with a big pink bow and Minnie Mouse ears. Look over here, we have blue and a darker pink. And there's all these numbers, 1 through 10. Minnie Mouse's customers can put their credit card in here. And then when they're all done, they can take it right out. And there are so many colors on here. First, we'll push this yellow button to turn it on. It's right next to Minnie's yellow shoes. And look, we have all of these purple buttons. And then the numbers. A purple 1, a yellow 2, a blue 3, a pink 4, a yellow 5, a purple 6, a yellow 7, a blue 8, a pink 9, and a yellow 0. We can make that number turn into 0 by saying minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 equals 0. Here's another spot for credit cards. We push this yellow button to open up the cash register. There's a lot of money in there. We have pink money and yellow money. On the pink money, we see the number 10. And on the yellow, 20. We have these blue ones and they have the number 50 on them. Now let's see what's over here. We have pink and purple. The pink ones have 100 on them and the purple have 500. Do you know which number is bigger? Is it 100 or 500? Yes, it's 500. And we have some mouse change in here. We have a purple 1, a yellow 2, a blue 3, a pink 4, and a yellow 5. This is a microphone right here. If you hold down this button and talk into the microphone, hello customers! We are having a store-wide sale right now. Every Cubies toy is just $2. Now lots of people know about the sale. And when customers come to check out, that's how we scan their items. Oh, Minnie Mouse, your first customer is here. Hello and welcome to my store. Oh, hi Chase, welcome. It looks like you have won Olaf Cubies. That will be $2. That's right, $2 looks like this. 2 decimal point 00 $2. I will be paying with my credit card. Okay, let's slide that right through here. Now that I've checked out, can we open this up and see what's inside? Great idea, Chase. Here's Olaf, and Olaf is white. And what's inside? We have Olaf and his friends. We have little white Olaf, and he is so squishy and stretchy. We also have Anna, and she's wearing a blue dress with purple on it. And she's just a little bit squishy. You can even put her on your finger and she can dance around. And here's Elsa with her long blonde hair and her blue dress. And she's just a little bit squishy, but she can dance too. Super fun surprises! Your next customer is here. Oh, hello, Mickey Mouse. You must have heard about the sale. I see you have a Mickey Mouse and a Minnie Mouse Cubies. So those are $2 each. Let me scan the items. 2 plus 2 is 4. You owe $4. Minnie Mouse said 2 plus 2 is 4. Let's see if she's correct. We have $2 plus $2 equals 4. Okay, Minnie Mouse, I have How much change should I get back? Well, let's see, Mickey Mouse. You have 1, 0. That's 10. And your toys cost $4. So we're saying 10 minus 4 equals 6. You need to get $6 back. We'll put 10 in and we'll give you 5 and 1. That's 6. Here you go. Here's your change. Thank you very much. Now can we see what's inside of these cubies? Yes, we can. Let's get started with Minnie Mouse. Look, she's wearing pink. And what's inside? We have a big Minnie Mouse Tsum Tsum. And look, she's wearing red. She even has a red bow on. I hear something else in there. Let's see. It's Minnie Mouse. And look, she's driving in a pink car. Let's see how fast she can go. Here goes Minnie Mouse. Whoa, so fast. Here she comes again. That was a lot of fun. I wonder what's inside of here. Look, it's Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse has black ears and he wears red shorts. What's inside? We have a big Mickey Mouse car. It's a roadster racer. Let's see how fast it can go. Watch what this roadster can do. He can climb up it. Whoa! Look at him go up and down. And something else is in here too. It's a big Mickey Mouse Tsum Tsum car. Let's see how fast it can drive. Whoa, so fast. There it goes again. Woohoo! Those are so much fun. I can't wait to get home and play with my toys. Oh, you have another customer, Minnie Mouse. See you later. Well, hello, Sky. It looks like you bought a lot of things. You bought 1, 2, 3 toys. Let me ring you up. Okay, Minnie Mouse, let's do the math for this. We have 3 and they're $2 each. So there are 2 different ways we can do this. We could say 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6 because we did 2 3 times. Or we could say 2 times 3 equals 6. Either way, it adds up to $6. Here you go, Minnie Mouse. I have my credit card. Okay, let's go ahead and run it through. And Sky, you have checked out. Hooray, thank you. Can we go ahead and open them up? Yes, we can, little Sky. Look how colorful they are. First we have Tigger, and Tigger is orange. Maybe there's something orange inside. I do see orange, and look, it's Zuma, because Zuma wears orange. And look, this Zuma can go really fast. There's something else orange inside. We have a little Tigger, and Tigger is orange with stripes. And Tigger likes to bounce up and down. Tigger is friends with Winnie the Pooh, and Winnie the Pooh wears red. I wonder if there's anyone inside who wears red. I see red. It's Marshall, and Marshall wears red just like Winnie the Pooh. Can he race? Here comes Marshall. Wow, Marshall. Here he goes again. And is there someone else who wears red in here? Whoa, yes, it's Winnie the Pooh. Look at him with his red shirt on. And up next we have Kermit the Frog, and Kermit is green. Is there someone green inside? Well, we have Rocky, and Rocky wears green. And there goes Rocky, whoa! There he goes again. And is there someone else who wears green in here? Yes, it's Tracker, and Tracker wears green too. But he doesn't have wheels underneath, so for him to race fast, he needs to hop in his Jeep. Whoa, there he goes! Super fast, Tracker!
Can Phoebe try to count how many cubies we got?
Sure, Phoebe.
We got, count with me guys! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6! We have 6 cubies! And we had so much fun! I hope you guys had fun too, and we'll see you next time!
The cash register used in today's video is the Disney Junior Minnie Mouse cash register. by IMC Toys.